big.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm saying that. Ooh, yeah, that's big. Big tornado. Another one forming just in front of it. Okay, come on. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh my god. I got it. Oh, Dave, look at that. Oh, wowie. Wowie, 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 wowie. There's another one forming. Let me know if I need to get out of
No, you're
the way.
fine. You're all good. Don't worry about it. Okay?
Yep.
Here's a ring.
Uh-huh.
That is amazing.
It's a really good one.
Oh my god.
It looks like there's about to be another one on the right side
Could
there.
be.
There's like no one here. There might be a place to pull off up here. Let's just creep up a little bit because those trees are in our way.
Oh god. Oh wow.
We're good, we're good, we're good.
Oh wow.
It's a really big tornado. It's just going due east.
Yeah, it is.
But you gotta get on the right side of it. Yeah. Yeah. Keep going a little bit. I think we
really
can.
Good right
I know.
Here. Can we stop?
Yeah, if we might be able to pull into that place right up here though, and it'll be fine there.
Trees. Can just film this
fine,
right now.
It's good right here.
I gotta take a picture.
Yeah. Let me know if I'm in your way.
Fine.
That is a pretty awesome tornado there. It's the best daytime tornado we've seen since El Reno.
That is amazing. Oh my god.
Very violent motion at the surface there.
You got it? Okay.
Oh yeah. Keep thinking that there's about to be another one spin up to the right. That's a significant tornado.
Yeah,
Her got it. Just west of Wynnewood.
The Weather Service is aware. They say large and extremely dangerous tornado in the morning. So
yeah.
this is so stable. I mean, the tornado is stable. You can see the upward motion along the edges of it.
Mm-hmm. I'm getting really good video.
It might be shrinking.
Yep.
Maybe.
Maybe it's
Well, maybe not.
I think it's about to do a rope out here. You hear it? You hear it?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
We're fine.
I was just checking. It's gonna do a rope out. We might want to move up a little bit, maybe. Oh my god. This is awesome.
Are you zoomed in on
Oh, I am getting everything. Oh, huge debris. Damn it. It may have just hit a barn or something. I think it. Oh no, they're trees. Those are whole trees.
I see him.
Oh my god.
Roping.
Yep. See, there's like tentacles.
I see it. Can you see that when you zoom in?
I'm seeing it. It's big.
We're just gonna need to stay here.
It's gonna be kind of like multi-vortexing here almost. Look at how strong that is. Her actually kind of underdid it. I love this monopod. I can actually watch the tornado with my real eyes while I'm shooting video. Look at that! Oh my god, look at that! Look at this helical vortices!
Yeah. How cool.
Look at how violent that is. Do I need to move so you can see?
Oh, no.
Look at this. Look how straight up. Helical vortices, Dave. Oh my God.
You focus on that.
Look at this.
It's fine. I'm seeing it.
It's helical vortices. Big time.
Just focus on it. Yep. I see them. I see them.
Oh my goodness gracious. That is so violent at the surface.
There's probably a new wall cloud about to produce a tornado. Okay, it's all right.
Look at it. Look at it.
I see it.
Oh, it is so roping out, drill bitting. I can't do that right now. I can't.
There's going to be a new tornado probably form off to the east of it. I'm telling you, not ahead of us, ahead of it.
Okay, it's still having surface.
Okay, yeah, it might recondense. You know how those do. So we're gonna have to deal with moving them soon. Otherwise, we're gonna get like stuck.
It's still going, but it's there's about to be another tornado. You're right.
Yeah. Can we go?
Yes.
Okay.